Okay. Braden's out feeding the fish at the pond. It's out of Grandma Susie and Grandpa Dee's house.
Do a little bit more at a time.
And all the fish are coming up right there. You see the orange fish.
More than that, Brady. Okay. Like a whole handful.
Like this much?
Yeah.
I see a dragonfly.
You do?
Yeah.
Do you see any snakes? Do you see any frogs? There's the waterfall, the big waterfall. And there's the little waterfall right there. It's like a jungle out here. The Paskin jungle. Amazon. Just lay down this whole patio area.
No, don't do this.
I won't. And there's Dad right there.
Are they too full right now?
Yeah.
Are their bellies full now?
They might be leaving.
And now they have this dry creek bed and this little yellow brick road that goes all the way to the front. Flowers along one side of it. Okay.
Is this hose on?
See the dry creek bed here with all their petrified rocks that they've collected over the years. And flowers on this side. And then this goes out to the front right there. This actually used to be a door that was access to the back, but now it is not. Now it comes out the back of the kitchen.
Maybe if I meet another dog today, he'll eat me.
Hi. How many dogs have you met this trip, Braden?
I can't count them.
Yeah, I would bet you 8, 7 dogs. I bet you a lot. And then we still might meet another one too over at Craig's house if we go see his doggy. Yes. So what do you think of Grandma and Grandpa's Amazon jungle out here? It's pretty cool. That's where the snakes hide in there, you know that?
No.
For real.
Those are...
That's where you catch them,
Stop.
because it's a filter.
I got one.
Oh, is that how you fish? All right, guys, that's it.